Hello guys, my name is Najiti and I'm a reading interventionist. And today we'll be looking at one of the most frequently asked questions by parents today. Why does my child know how to read but doesn't know how to spell? Especially when you use the logic that if they can identify the words enough to read them, surely they should be able to write them and spell. Well, let me let you in on a secret and major reason why they can read but can't spell. It's because they've memorized the word. Maybe because they've come across it so many times that it's stuck in their head. But even the best crammers have a couple of lapses. Next time when your child reads, pay close attention for these symptoms. They may try guessing at a word like house, but might instead say horse, or replacing a word with something closely relating to that word, like switching jelly for jam. Seeing that word on the first page, but not recognizing it on the other. These aren't just little mistakes, they are signs that your child is cramming. Okay, now that we've identified this, how does this all relate to spelling? One thing is for sure, a crammer can't be a good speller. So if cramming isn't the right way to go about spelling, then what is? To find out, why not stick around for my next video? And if you're a mom, parent, or are just really concerned about your child's reading and spelling abilities, why not hit the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment below if you could relate to any of these signs. I'll see you all in the next one.